to send a PDF file in a text message on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app. Tap conversation of the contact you like to send the PDF file to. Tap the plus icon next to the text entry field. And then tap My Files. Now navigate to the folder where you save the PDF file you like to send. Select the PDF file and then tap Send button. Write your message. And then tap Send button to send the selected PDF file and your text message. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.